All right, very good afternoon, everybody. This is Vaibhav, and I'm the founder of Iron Skills, and I'm going to host this digital marketing orientation class for Amol, Nidhi, Nikita, Pushpalata, Shubham, Vinay, and everyone else. Okay, so before we guys begin in the chat box, let me say hi to all. Please acknowledge that you're all able to hear my voice loud and clear. You guys can see the screen, and of course, we are recording this class so that we can upload the same there on our YouTube channel. Everybody, a quick acknowledgement will help me to proceed further. Thank you so much, Nikita. All right, so let me go ahead and create an agenda for the lesson today. In this class, I am going to help you guys to learn about digital marketing industry overview. Now, I will not talk about like a typical, institute that we will describe you about what is SEO, what is social media and all that. I am going to help you to understand how exactly digital marketing industry works, what it takes for people to go ahead and get into the market. And at the same time, what exactly businesses expect from you guys so that you can accordingly plan ahead your career. At the same time, I am also going to help you to understand 3 sources of income that as an individual, one can generate. And the most important part is how. And I'm also going to put some light that's on 3 sources of income. Along with that, the 2 years long-term plan with it. Now, what is long-term plan? Because a lot of people have a myth that if I pursue a short course, let's say for months, I'm going to become a pro in the industry. That's absolutely not true. So in this lesson today, you guys will also understand the part that how much time it takes for someone to be a good internet marketer. In the end, I am going to put some light on Iron Skills digital marketing program. What are the secret ingredients we guys use here in terms of making you a good internet marketer? Why we are the most respected institution out there delivering this course? And how exactly do we deliver the program? How we are different than others. So I'll also help you to learn about that part. And in the end, we'll keep a open Q&A round for, let's say, 10 to 15 minutes. You guys can ask me questions related to our program, your career around digital marketing, your businesses, or anything related to digital. Feel free to ask me those. All right. So now let's start the lesson. Now, before I talk about it, let me ask actually this question from Amol, Mahalakshmi, Natasha, Nidhi, Nikita, Pushpalata, Shubham, and we have Jyoti Smita as well now. Why exactly people hire digital marketers? Why suddenly there is a demand of digital marketing? So whatever that comes to your mind right now, or whatever you as a person have a knowledge around this subject, if you can help me to know this, then I'll go ahead and create for you that what are the exact requirements in the market from digital marketing various profiles, and we're going to leverage it accordingly. Okay. And we're going to discuss that part. So everybody, please take 30 seconds in the chat box. Let me understand from you guys that why do you think businesses out there, they hire digital marketers? 30 seconds to all. And let's see that how and whatever you think around the same industry. Meanwhile, I'll take a sip of water. I'll wait for 20 more seconds. Ten more seconds. Internet helps people to reach larger audiences. Absolutely correct, Natasha. Others, please. If anybody is writing, it connects a business with its customers when they are online. Amazing. Anybody else who would like to go ahead and mention the same? All right. So without investing more time, let's understand there are 3 core objectives in the market for any business to use digital marketing for. These are online acquisition of a customer or sales, lead generation, otherwise brand building. And I'll help you with some examples so that you guys can relate it better. So what I'll do, I will first talk about the industry. Why do they hire internet marketers? Then I'm going to pick up your objectives, can be a job, business or something. I will help you to relate yourself better that if there is a demand for X, Y, Z different types of things, how can you connect or develop your profile portfolio around it so that you're job ready or you're ready to freelance or you're ready to start a business. As I've mentioned, there are 3 types of business. First, I've said businesses looking forward to acquire a customer to get online sales. I've said other types of businesses are into lead generation. And the third type of a business is there in terms of doing it for brand building purposes, right? Okay, Anmol says nowadays people are very use of social media, digital platforms during COVID period. E-commerce platform businesses increased drastically. Absolutely true, my friend. Now let's understand this online sales. Now, which all types of companies are there into online acquisition of a customer model? Amazon, Flipkart, Zomato, Big Basket. Now let's assume let's only stick to Amazon. Let's say if you have to go ahead and buy iPhone 11, how do you buy? What you will do, you will open app there on your phone. Otherwise, you will go to the website here. Correct? And what you will do, you will write here iPhone 11, let's say 64 GB. Correct? You will search for the product. Let's say you are finding this particular product. You may click and buy the product. Are you with me? Now, in this case, if I have to ask you, somebody, those who have opened direct website or an application for Amazon, and on their portal, somebody is searching for iPhone 11, a traffic like this, or a person who is visiting this website or a application, mobile app, stands for direct traffic in the internet language. Why direct traffic? Because they don't need any kind of a marketing. They already know the brand name because of Amazon, enough of a brand building they've done in the last 10, 15 years. They know what Amazon is. It's a reliable platform. They can trust this platform to spend 50,000 rupees and buy the product from them blindly. With me? Now, this is one type of audience. Amazon doesn't need to go ahead and do SEO, SMM in social media, or shoot an email campaign, or do any kind of a thing for a person whosoever is looking forward to buy like this. And this goes for every other product they sell. It can be a home appliances, anything related to kitchen, anything, even dresses or footwears or anything. But given they have millions of products like this, there is another audience and they use internet to pick up them. How? Let's understand that. Another audience, what they do, they Google a term, iPhone 11. One, somebody is writing there on Flipkart or Amazon, iPhone 11. Other, they Google a term. So this is currently US market, will go to India. Now we are in Indian market. Can you guys see this national flag? This says iPhone 11 in India is being searched 1.8 million times every month. This is per month search volume for iPhone. How do people react? 6,08,000 people, they click at SEO results. 3,10,000 people click at paid ads. Rest, they do not click anywhere. So overall, we have around 9 lakh people, those who react after searching iPhone 11. Understood? Now, how do they react? That's the most important part to understand. Now, digital marketing has various types of ways to reach out to the customers or potential clients. But in the case when Amazon is looking forward to sell iPhone, they click at ads, 1, 2, 3. But these are shopping ads by Google. These are ads in a form of infographics. Understood? There is a text-based ad option as well. Of course, they can run those ads as well, but people usually don't react like that. They react like this. And when they click, they finally land to a page. And if the product is under their budget, they're going to buy. That is one approach. 6,10,000 or 8,000 people, they click at these results, 1, 2, 3. Can you guys see this number? 4. Now, these are SEO-based results. Now, if you understand Amazon as a business, let's assume tomorrow you're going to get a job at Amazon. What's their core objective? Do they want to get social media likes? No. Do they want that somebody whosoever have purchased, who's looking forward to go ahead and search for a product? They always want to finally sell, correct? And how people are buying, they're either buying directly from the website or other side, if you look at it, they are buying like this. They click at these types of ads and they need to be present here. Now, they just don't have iPhone, right? They have millions of products like this. So what they want, wherever or whichever product they have as a listicle item there on their portal, somebody searching for it, except their Amazon as a portal, somebody searching for it on the internet like Google, Yahoo, Bing, any other search engine, they should showcase them that this is what we have. And finally, the end user should buy. Understood? And how do people buy? If Amazon will create their presence for somebody, if they run social media campaign on, let's say, Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, Snapchat, Instagram, do you think they are going to pick this hot audience of 9 lakh, those who are likely to buy the product? What's your answer for this? Yes or no? So they want to go ahead and use digital to finally go ahead and get a sale because that's the end objective. That's the business model. Quick yes or no in the chat box from everybody. First type of a business model is clear to all. Can I get your acknowledgement? And I'm going to pick up the next model. Everybody in the chat box, please. Are you all clear that how exactly first business type of companies, those who are into a model like buying or, into an acquisition of a model, let's say online, they make their decisions towards digital. They know what they're doing because they pick up the right channels to finally get the customer. Are you all clear? Quick yes, no, maybe. Great. There is a second set of a business. I would say 90% of businesses out there, they are into service-based model. That's called lead generation. Now, today I will give you guys at least 2-3 different examples so that you can understand how exactly internet-based industry works around lead generation. First example, you all have searched for a digital marketing course. What exactly have you searched? Digital marketing course, digital marketing courses online, digital marketing courses in various cities like Delhi, Mumbai, Bangalore, Pune, other than, or India, or best digital marketing course online or India, like that. Some of you might have searched for a keyword, let's say, is digital marketing a good career? Free digital marketing orientations, demo classes, all such types of words you have searched, right? After that, you have received close to around 10 to, let's say, 15 famous websites, those who are into similar kind of a business model to teach people this subject. That's called digital marketing, correct? Wherever you have been to, it includes iimskills or others in the market. None of them have asked you to buy the course. Why? We encouraged you to download the brochure. In exchange to that, what have you given to us? Your name, phone, and email. Am I correct? We might have asked you to take free online demo. In exchange to that, again, you have given this information. You might have been to some other places. They have asked you speak with expert advisor. In return, again, you have given your personal information. Now, what happens is we know this part that we created our reach for somebody whosoever is searching for a digital marketing course or related words anywhere. When I talk about anywhere, this includes YouTube. This includes every possible channel of social media. This includes every channel of internet, I would say, to conclude. Wherever you are searching for it, you can see the brand name. It can be iimskills or it can be any other company. The model is finally you go ahead and give us your detail because we know that you're somebody, somewhere in your mind, you have an interest to learn digital marketing. And after that, based on the institute offerings, the demo class experiences, the way the counselors explain, all such, parameters, whatever you have, you are going to buy a course today, tomorrow, day after a month or a year, but at least you are going to consider all the companies. So what happens is that companies like us, we generate qualified leads to go ahead and pitch our product. Understood? Now, another great example for you guys. Understood about the education firms, right? Now, let's say you're searching for a job at Naukri.com. Do you know this part that Naukri never provides a job? Correct? What happens is that you are searching for a job, digital marketing internship, example. They encourage you, why don't you upload your resume here as a fresher and increase 98% chances to get higher chances to get hired by other companies and all that. Now, what's the model? Naukri captures and aggregates the leads. Now, what are leads in this case? Resumes, qualified resumes, depending upon the offerings. Then some HR consultants, they are outsourcing companies. What they do, they buy that database from Naukri. And this HR consultants, they also sign up with companies, those who are hiring within that departments, digital marketing, HR, some BPOs or whatever. Understood? Then what they do, they filter out these profiles on behalf of these people. And if you get hired, they make money. What's the role of Naukri? Given they are giving you a platform to go ahead and upload your profile for free, but that database is relevant for these guys. So that's again a lead. So if Amol will go ahead, upload his resume anywhere on Naukri, Shine, or any such websites, it's like you are giving the other organization an opportunity to go ahead and pick up the relevant talent from the market. Understood? Quick yes, no, maybe. What's the model? If companies like Naukri have to use digital marketing, so whatever or whichever job profile somebody is searching for, they can showcase their website and then finally ask you to upload a resume. The better resumes, the more resumes, the qualified resumes they have, they can sell this database to many, many, many more people. Understood? Quick yes, no, maybe. If you look at another way, do they earn through commissions? Absolutely right. Not Naukri. Naukri will sell the database at 2-3 lakh rupees. That's their annual cost. But when you get a job, the company pays 1 month's salary to those HR consultants. That's the model. All right. Now, the point is, let's say if you experience this part, Urban Clap. Let's say you're looking forward for car cleaning services at home. Am I right? Now, what happens is they will ask you to give phone number, email. Then they'll say that we will charge 800 rupees. All right. And somebody will come. They are the mediator. They use digital marketing again to acquire and capture a lead. In this model, they convert a lead and then they send a local vendor that's around their places only, the place wherever you want this person to clean the car. They are going to send the local vendor. It is just that they have aggregated them in a way. And then they keep their commission for around 100 rupee or 200 rupee per qualified converted lead. Are you all clear? Quick yes, no, maybe. Now that's the model. And if you look at every company in the market, every company, major organizations, that's the model they work upon. Nobody actually sells other than the local grocery store guy. Otherwise, we are all leads to the people everywhere, wherever we go. If you're going even to buy, let's say from, what do we have? Shopper stop, address, right? You're a qualified lead. You will buy or you will not buy. That's in the end a different thing. But you are a qualified lead for that brand. The third type of a company that people or the type of objective businesses are into, that's called brand building. Now, I have another great example. You guys can all relate with it. Okay, there are elections that those are in north part of India. One is in Punjab, other one is in Uttar Pradesh next year, correct? You may observe a lot of political parties, they are reaching out to the people using internet, and they will never talk about that vote for this party directly, but they go ahead and talk a very, very positive word around that this political party have done this particular thing for the state, or if they are, they are not ruling at the moment. So they will say that we have a good plan for you. We have various promises for you and all that, right? But what exactly they do? They target all 18 plus years of age, male, female, both eligible voters, to go ahead, get this message that this party is the right party for you. They establish that brand image in your mind so that the day you go out to vote, at least you consider them. They will never ask you to buy. They use Quora. How many of you are active user at Quora? You might have ever seen this part with this site called Quora. You get a lot of push notifications wherein millions of upvotes, views are there. How that particular thing happens, again, that's part of marketing. Another great example. How many of you have observed Cadbury Dairy Milk? 4th of November, there was Diwali, correct? A week or 2 weeks before than Diwali, Cadbury Dairy Milk was very aggressive on every channel, including mass media like television, radio. Other than that, internet. What they were doing, a great storyline. They were creating that storyline around a gifting that particular 100 rupee or 150 rupee chocolate box to your family or friends, and considering Cadbury is a great brand. Now, why? And today you don't observe those types of advertisement. What exactly are they doing? Basically, they are reaching out to you. They are creating that brand image so that the day you go out, let's say to do a Diwali gifting shopping, and you figure out that, okay, this is 100 rupee box. Other than the 2 boxes that are picked from other brands, let's add one more. What's the matter with 100? Nothing, right? But that's the way they reach out to masses and they create that brand image. Everybody, are you all clear? So what have we learned? There are 3 different types of companies: online acquisition based, lead generation, and brand building. And we all use digital marketing for these 3 purposes. And we pick up digital marketing because it allows us to target people as per their age, interest, locations, and everything. And your device, your laptop, they're all listening to you. They know what's happening with each and everything. If you would like to observe this part, you say 10 times, I repeat my words. You say 10 times while speaking with somebody on a phone or doing any kind of a thing, or while using application, let's say Instagram or Facebook, you say Mercedes, some model, or you say BMW X1, or you say Audi Q5, and then add a word purchase or looking forward to buy, such types of words. You will observe that you've been targeted by those companies automatically. So they target you, they know what's happening. Understood? So they actually get a sense, the algorithms they use, that you are interested, that you are likely to buy this product. Everybody, can I get a quick yes, no? Maybe that you're aware about what are the requirements in the market from you guys if you will become an internet marketer, depending upon the organizations, if you will pick or join. Now, let me go ahead and create for everybody. How are you going to achieve your goals? Now, you are all here. See, I personally understand one part. When people are actually, upskilling themselves from, let's say, a training program or a course, while they were working somewhere, or they're still working, but they're looking forward to upgrade. Believe me, I've been there where you are today. You are somewhere stuck in the sense that either you're looking forward to change your profile. You have reached to that saturation level that you cannot deal with that particular job profile anymore. You're a homemaker. You're looking forward to restart your career. You feel like that you're outdated. You are somebody who actually, wants to go ahead and get into the market that's more inclined towards the future, or any such types of things, right? Now, I would like to really make sure that everybody hear me out loud and clear. This orientation will not have any alignment towards selling you a course. At most of the institutes you may observe, that's the idea behind. My orientation will help you to really accept the facts that how you can enter in the market. And I will create each and everything very authentically so that you all can accept that if I am ready to go ahead and do this or not. If you are, you're in for the job. And if you are not, then you should ignore this market. If quick money is something that you have in your mind. So before I talk about it, let me go ahead and understand my audience. May I ask everybody to use the chat box and help me to know why are you here? What's your end goal? Including Amol, Aziz, Dakshina, Jyoti Smita, Mahalakshmi, Natasha, Nikita, Pushplata, Shubham, Tanya. What would you like to achieve right after pursuing a course of digital marketing? If you guys can help me to understand that, in this orientation, I will help you to figure out that ways that how you are going to land to that particular dream job, how you're going to start a freelancing career, how you're going to launch your agency, each and everything. Dakshina says to earn. That's the final goal. But what would you like to go ahead and do to earn that much money? A job or a business? Natasha to get a job. Tanya would like to start an agency. Nikita to become a freelancer. Anmol to start with an agency. Dakshina to start a business. Others, please, in the chat box. Jyoti Smita again would like to start a business. Very good. What about you, Amol? What would you like to achieve? Or any other person who is still writing? Aziz, anything that you would like to go ahead and achieve? Amol would like to start an agency. I'm sorry, I missed that. I need to convert my husband's business online. Very good, very good. Great. Now, guys, let me go ahead. I want to offer digital marketing as a full-time career and use 3D graphics as a tool. Very good, Shubham. Please pay attention, everyone. Stop writing. It's my request. I'm going to put some light that's on one subject called job part first. Then we will talk about freelancing and a business. Okay. Everyone out there who is attending this orientation class with me, and if you have been to any other institution, any other, mark my words, if you will do a course and you feel that you're going to get a job, answer is no. I'll repeat myself. Answer is no. Why? So I will help you to remove couple of myths from your mind so that you can then accept the facts and get into it. Okay. Now, first and foremost, every institution, including us, we write that you're digital marketing. And after this, you will become or you will be able to do digital marketing all by yourself. First, we will surely be teaching you and others will surely be teaching you 40 modules of digital marketing. But practically, it is impossible for you guys to execute all types of marketings all alone. Why so? Because digital marketing contains content writing, SEO on page, off page, technical, social media, various platforms, in ads, different types of ads that requires constant optimization, video creation, editing, and a lot more, WordPress. Clear? Now, for one person, it is practically impossible, even if you will get a job, that you can execute everything. Understood? Yes, no? Now, how to learn digital marketing is the most important part. Digital marketing is available in two different types of things. One is organic marketing, other one is paid. Organic stands for free. You don't have to give money, but it requires constant efforts plus a lot of hard work. And there is no guarantee that you will get a result or not. In the case of paid marketing, it requires a lot of money. Again, in dollars, results are guaranteed, but return on ad spend, ROAS, means if you have spent 100 rupees, if you have made 90 back, that means you are in minus 10. So return on the ad spends, that as a marketer, you need to learn. Understood? Quick yes, no, maybe. So far, are we all at the same page? Now, every institution out there will promise you a fact. What fact? That if you pursue a course, you get 100% placement. But what they write? Placement assistance. Friends, ask yourself, tomorrow if Amazon is there, Amazon use two ways to sell iPhone 14 or 13. One, paid ads. Other, organic, means SEO. Are you with me? That's the way Amazon sells the product, correct? Do you think if they have a budget to spend on paid ads, 1 CR every month, a person who have done an IM skills course for 3 months, they are going to give you 1 CR that you spend and get us iPhone 14 sales? Do you believe that? Will you consider somebody who pursued a course couple of months back? If you are Amazon, ask yourself, quick yes, no, maybe. No, am I right? Will you consider? Organic means slow. It takes its own time. And there are many maths that we use in SEO industry. If you use organic marketing, or do you think Amazon will trust you because you have worked upon or you have done a course for their organic marketing? Maybe you will be able to rank their website here at where the Verge place is. But luckily, if you are only at position 1, 2, 3 or maximum 4, you will get maximum clicks. Otherwise, if you observe websites, those are like they get 5,53,000 hits. They get maximum hits, iPhone, okay? They get somewhere around 4 lakh some hits. But the websites like these, those who are at page 1 only, but somewhere at 8th, 9th position, hardly get 1,700 people out of 6 lakh. Don't you think again that there is a challenge here? They are not going to trust you because for you, it's just a job for 35,000 rupees or 40,000 rupees. But for those guys, it's a lakh or CR business every day. Are you all able to relate this? I need a quick acknowledgement and then I'm going to help you guys to learn how to learn digital marketing. if you're really looking forward to go ahead and get a job in the industry. And believe me or believe me not, of course, I'm also trying to convince you that my course is better other than any other program in the industry. I will sell you authentically. I will help you to accept all the facts before you take up any course. Now, the point is, if you're planning to learn digital marketing, you will spend 3 months as you've spent first 12 years of your life until class 10 to realize I am good at arts, commerce, or science. Then in 11th, you decided that I'll go with maths, commerce without maths, science with bio, without bio, or arts. Do you agree to this? Now, this is what happens here. First 3 months of a learning, you will learn all digital marketing topics to know what are the subject that excites you, organic marketing or paid marketing. Quick yes, clear? Second thing, the second job that you're going to do, you need a resume here. Now, in some other industries, people write their resume on this PDF and all that. Now, in this industry, the resume is something different. You need to start a blog or a website wherein you're going to execute everything that you will learn. It can be here at iimskills or anywhere else. Now, in this context, from starting a WordPress site, then writing a content for it, then doing SEO for the site, creating social media presence for the same website, shooting email campaigns to the subscribers that you will gain, creating an engagement with the video-based campaigns, and running every other type of digital-based channel. You will be doing all for the website or a product or any blog that you will create. At the same time, the projects that you're going to work upon, the case studies from which you're going to learn, this implementation you should go ahead and do where? On your own blog. Why? So that the website that you will start with zero traffic, of course, the day you will start, you will have zero traffic. But after 6 months, if you will target from here 6 months as the journey, you will have 5,000 people that you will drive. And with these 5,000 people, what do you gain? You gain a confidence that the SEO I've done, that worked. The content I've written created an engagement. The social media posts that I add, people encourage, they talk, they like, they upvote, and then they visit my blog website. And the Quora or whatever you've done, you can finally go ahead and see that. And if people becomes your subscriber, you can see that they are trusting you or your content or your website. And all these things happens when you do it for your own website. Everybody, quick yes, no, maybe. And that is what your real resume is. Now, in this particular world, we call this particular thing as portfolio. What it is? It stands for portfolio. Can I get a quick yes that you guys are clear? Now, I'm going to also talk about the mistake that people like you who are freshers and learning digital marketing, they typically attempt at most of the institutes. Now, what do you guys actually get excitement for? That some other website is showing me 20 projects. Some websites are giving me 10 projects. They are giving me this. Now, my friend, let's assume iimskills says that you pursue a course. We are giving you 15 projects to work upon. Your project number 1 is, this is the page. This is the page that you guys can see. You have to do SEO for this page. The page today ranks at page number 2. Position at page number 2 is 4th. Understood? You've started on this project for 3 months during your training period. And after this, the page ranks page 1, position, let's say, 3. Now, can you go ahead and take a credit for that you have designed this blog or a website? No. Can you take a credit of that you have written the landing page content? No. Can you take a credit for that you are the one who did on-page optimization? No. Can you take a credit or tell us that how much leads for this particular page you or the effort that you have generated, this organization captured? No. Do you know the web analytics of this website? No. Do you get a confidence that you know digital marketing and you're better? No. Why? Because like you, there are hundreds of other students, all right, those who are working upon the same project, and none of you will get that confidence. And you cannot even claim this part that I'm the one who helped this organization to rank. Quick thumbs up if you agree to the things that I have just now created. Plus, you are all clear. And allow me to take a sip of water meanwhile. And I'm going to talk about the secret ingredients that what we use here in the next 4 seconds. No, 4 minutes. Once I'll pick up the next subject called freelancing and businesses. Are you all clear that if you're here to go ahead and get a job, what you have to do? You need to go ahead and work upon your portfolio development, and each and every implementation that you're going to do it for your own blog. That's your real resume. Certifications are secondary authentication that yes, you have learned a course. And the most important part is this real resume will help you to get the job. And the real resume part is everything that you will implement. Quick yes, then I'm going to pick up the next subject that's called freelancing or business. And the next part, we will again merge our this particular thing, that how or what kind of a secret ingredients we use, why people are loving IIM Skills programs, what are the best things that we actually do here that makes our delivery unique and makes everyone achieve their goals. In the chat box, please. Now, guys, I'm going to pick up freelance plus business as a club thing. Those who are here to go ahead and start with freelancing as a career or a business, you are all requested to remember one thing. Though you will learn 40 modules, never launch 40 types of services to offer in the market. Typically, if somebody as a fresher, they are looking forward to become a digital marketer or launch their agency, the first step they do, I will do WordPress for you to their clients. I will do SEO for you. I will do SMM management for you. I will do email marketing for you. I will do ads for you. I will do Facebook ads for you. So what they do, they become a complete digital marketing agency. There is nothing bad about it. We all would like to go ahead and diversify our offerings. But when you actually launch 40 different types of services under one portfolio or one website, you attract 4,000 businesses, those who are already successful, have money, have people, manpower, everything, right? You actually fight with 4,000 plus people in the market. They are your competitors, even if they are your friends, but they are your real competitors. To beat them, it is almost impossible. But after that, after 6 months, after a lot of efforts, hard work, you may capture few clients, but you will end up with that digital marketing is worst thing that I've gone into. It's better I should now go ahead and learn data science because that's the future. This is how market works. Able to relate? Now, what I propose to my students and what I make them, here to go ahead and do, we never ever ask our student to launch a complete digital marketing agency. You will launch, let's assume it's just a hypothetical situation for an example. You will launch SEO service, but again, in SEO service, a very specific niche, off-page SEO company. That's it. Now we only have 10 competitors here and good market. What we will do, we will try to possibly beat all these competitors in a way that you are getting in your kitty, let's say 10 to 15 clients, because that's a recurring model. Every month you get a business from a same client. So we will go ahead and help you to achieve that goal, that you have 10, 15 payable clients with you. Beat them 10 and use that 40 types of marketing skills that you have learned slowly, gradually, so that you can simply go ahead and create a little name in the market. Once this happens, the next move that we will ask you to do is that launch now on-page SEO as well, along with content writing. Okay, because these two things goes together. Understood? So now you are a company, those who cater to content SEO on and off page. Once you are, after 1 to 2 years, you are at a stage where you have, let's say, 10 lakh rupee business, recurring revenue with you. Time to go ahead and launch SMM services, then email, then WordPress, then website and all. Able to relate? The beauty of the market is, I'll just show you something, okay? Website is, okay, let's search for this keyword only. I'm in Delhi, by the way, I'm located in Delhi. Just for website designing company in Delhi, I repeat, website designing company in Delhi, 8,000 people, they search for it. Web development company, what's the volume? There are lakhs of people searching for these types of keywords. Again, this much. You don't have to get lakhs. All you want is only 5 clients every month. That's it. Because if a ticket they're paying you, let's say 20,000, you have 5 clients that you can, go ahead and digest to or cater to, you have 1 lakh rupee business. And that's how you scale your businesses. Can I get a quick yes that you're all clear? May I go ahead and share the secret ingredient of IM Skills now after your yes in the chat box? That what are the best practices to launch a business? Now, let me go ahead and introduce you guys our secret ingredient. And then I will give you guys an open platform where I will introduce you with 10,000 plus people where you can talk to them and then figure out who we are. Okay. Now, my friends, I would like to go ahead and tell everybody there is one institution saying people sitting for arts classes will become lawyer, practically possible. People sitting again at the arts class will become CA or finance professionals, practically impossible. People sitting in the arts class will become doctors, practically impossible. With me? Now, what all these organizations out there they are doing? They are simply doing one thing that, okay, you want to get a job, we are the right company. You want to start a business, we are the right company. You want to become a freelancer, come join us. Can you just go ahead and understand from one straight delivery, you all can achieve your courses or your careers? Answer is no, 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 no. It's big no. And people you're speaking with, are you speaking with the founders of the company? No, you're speaking with the counselors. What's their job? What they get? Are you with me? This is what they get, and this is what their job is. Their job is to sell and say yes to everything. Because when you buy, they earn. Quick yes, no, maybe. Are you all with me on this? Now, I want you to accept the facts, realities before you jump into this and spend your hard-earned money. Because I know that where you are, you're stuck, and that's reality. Let's accept. I was stuck years back, and nobody helped. That's the reality. My first venture, Course Deco, was a big channel, and it failed somehow. I mean, it didn't fail. I earned my bread and butter. I made my house because of that platform. But I would have turned it to a next biggest platform. Reason being, there was no mentor. There was nobody who can coach. And there was a guy, but they just manipulated the thing. That's how people are. That's how all human beings are. That's the reality. That's the hard truth. But let's go ahead and accept from some facts that what's the reality today. Guys, here at IM Skills, we don't deliver our programs like every other company. Our delivery is very simple. The first day, we validate who you are and what are your objectives. So we define that. Why? Because when I know where you're going to travel, your final destination, I'm going to book your ticket, means I'm going to design your roadmap. So our delivery is personalized as per what you would like to go ahead and achieve from the course. So let's say if you're here to go ahead and get a job, the 6 months journey, 3 months course plus 3 months, internship, it is going to be personalized as per your course or your career objectives. If you're here to start a business, nothing will happen after the course. On the day first of the course, first day, you are going to validate the idea that you have in your mind and you're going to launch your business first day. And throughout the training period with us, with the other faculties, you are going to work on the marketing part with the idea that you want to generate your first lead with us in the course, and a promise made you're going to do that. Our delivery will be as per what you would like to achieve versus what we would like to deliver. That's our secret ingredient here at IM Skills. At the same time, the great part of the course is that if you're here to get a job, you're ready with the portfolio. And other than this, you all get these things live that you will write for TOI blog so that you're no more in doubt that you know content writing skills or not. When you're going to promote your own website that ranks organically and you are going to work upon those skills, everyone can see that, okay, this person have worked upon this particular skill set and these are visible results. No doubt around SEO. When you're going to do social media, you're going to develop based on your niche, your own platform so that people can see the engagement, the content that you write and how do people interact there. Everything practically so that people can see that. And if you're doing it for the business, you will be doing it. You will understand your analytics that how businesses or people are reaching out to you so that you can go ahead and ask them that, okay, these are my leads, the conversions and every such things happen. Quick yes, are you all clear? Now, if you would like to go ahead and validate, how do we do this? Go to LinkedIn. If any other organization is going to give you this, most welcome. Go to LinkedIn, in the search bar, write IIM space skills. Click on the people part. You're going to get list of 10,000 plus people who have done our course. Add anybody. Ask about it. How was IIM skills program? So we have two types of people. One, really satisfied, achieve their goals. Second, dissatisfied, when we have refunded their money. So we don't keep the money if you're not happy with the delivery. And we proudly keep the money when we are helping you guys to achieve your goals. And you can talk to these people wherever they are and ask them. All right. Are you all clear? Ask them that how they helped you to achieve your goals, freelancing, business, job, whatever it is. May I move to the next step from here, guys? So far, things are good. Are you all liking the class? Are you all able to relate? Great, Akshina. Others, are you not enjoying this class? None of you have said yes. Thanks, Shubham. Thanks, Natasha. Thanks, Anmol. Thanks, Nikita. Thanks, Tanya. This gives me a lot of energy. Let me go ahead and introduce you guys with the second most important thing that I personally loved. I made good money from this particular thing. That's called affiliate marketing. I assume each one of you have heard about this particular term in the past, affiliate marketing. Is there anyone in this group who have never heard around this word called affiliate or affiliate marketing? There are two ways today that people actually go ahead and leverage internet. One is influencers, other one is affiliate. Influencer is like, let's say, Virat Kohli. How many followers he has on Insta? I guess 160 million, right? So what happens is that I reach out to Virat that, Virat, can you post around IIM skills? He say, okay, I'll do. And he'll post, I'll pay him, let's say 1 CR for one post. Whether people buy or they don't buy here at IIM skills, any of the program, I am supposed to pay 1 CR to Virat Kohli because he's an influencer. He's influencing his followers. Understood? Have you heard about the Mom Company? It's a recent, very famous brand around baby products. They are leveraging every other TV celebrity, vloggers to go ahead and promote baby products. And in the last 1 year, they are one of the biggest famous company around baby products. Right? Given I have a daughter, so I know about this brand. I did a good research on this particular product. Now, this is influencer. Understood? Have you seen Emily in Paris? There was a Netflix series. Anybody? And I assume each one of you must have seen. There was a lockdown on every type of TV series, including what was that? Money Heist, this, that people have watched. Okay, Emily in Paris, there was a one particular scene wherein Emily went to that particular brand. They were promoting through all the influencers. They were promoters with Instagram. Remember, they hosted one lunch party where she asked the other lady that, why don't you come back to the agency and give us the work? Remember, Tanya? That's what influencer marketing is. That people with good followers, give them the product, they will influence the audience and the market will proceed ahead. My friends, affiliate marketing is right opposite to it. What exactly it is? Let's say you're a very good person who can write a good content, or you can create a video. By the way, you have to understand everything is content. Remember this, how a content can be can be found in 4 different ways: text, voice, images or infographics, and videos. Understood? Everything is content related. If content is engaging, people are going to like, people are going to upvote, people are going to comment. That's how things works in this particular industry. Now, affiliate marketing is, let's say you are a promoter or you are one of the people who are going to create content, and you will encourage the person to buy with the help of specific URLs, and the other person will buy. You will earn a commission. Now, what people believe at most of the time that we are very smart or we are buying the best products in the market. But the answer is no. Even including your education, the courses that people are talking about, they are affiliated. They are affiliated. Even your digital marketing course, let's say some institutes are charging you 50,000 to, let's say, 80,000 rupees for a same course that we deliver at 35,000 for this week. Next week, it is going to be 41 something. I'll explain about that. But the point is, they are charging 80K. But you know what? Then when you buy with the help of other influencers, the other influencer get 20,000 rupees as a commission because they help them to sell. When you buy any kind of a watch, a product, any home appliances, everything is affiliated. Let me give you guys some of the great examples. Let me just pause my recording for a second. I don't want to go ahead and show you guys on a recorded line something that I'm going to. Let's say you're searching for best AC, air conditioner. Do I have to tell you what this website is? Times of India, Bajaj, 91 Mobile, Reliance Digital, Amazon Unpost. Wherever you see top 10, top 5, all these types of words, especially listicle articles, they are affiliated. All these. Open these websites. Read any of these articles. 10 best ACs in India, 2021. They are giving you how do we rate a website correct? Features, customer experience, price, durability, and brand. And then they are writing about the article and they are also saying check a price for sale. This link is affiliated. If you buy from this website, this person will earn 9% commission. You can read about that. You are searching for iWatch SE unboxing. You usually watch these types of videos. Am I right? Let's open the first video that comes in front of us. So anything. Pause this. Jello Tech, 1.05 million subscribers. This person in the video will show you his wristband, will show you his mobile cover, this cover, that cover, okay? Watch band I use affiliated. Can you see this? And now what happens is that a lot of people have one belief that how much do they make? Let me help you to realize. Let's take this website as an example. This website talks about air conditioner, cooler, fryer, purifier, Bluetooth, ceiling fans, these types of home-based appliances, correct? Computer devices and all that. It's a simple website. According to me, I feel that this website should have 120, 30, 40 articles, not more than this. So from homepage, if I calculate this, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Food processor in India, it is 20. Until 5,000, 50,000 in India, it is 40. Cold press juicer, it is 60 articles. Not cooling, 80 articles. 100 articles, best washing machines. 120 articles, best air conditioner, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 130 articles overall, 130 articles, correct? In front of you, you can also calculate if you want. After every website URL, you can write sitemap.xml. You can find all the website content. Let's say if you would like to find IM Skills 1, you can write like this, sitemap.xml. And you'll get the exact number, how many articles we have written, just for the information. So we have 1001 articles live here that you all can see with the dates. Understood? Now, let me minimize this. This is the website URL. And let me help you to understand how much web traffic they are driving. Means after writing 130 articles, how many people are reading the content or about the product that they are trying to sell for the other website. The website drives 2,63,000 people every month. Can I write this number? 2.63 lakh. Understood? Now on a scale of 1% to 100%, on a scale of 1% to 100%, what percentage of people do you think those who are landing here will buy? And they are one of those who are searching for best ACs to buy online, best washing machine, best water cooler, best mixer grinder, and all these types of things. Give me bare minimum that comes to your mind, the lowest number, not the maximum. 30% as per Natasha. What about others? Quick, guys. We have to cover a few more things. That's why. 45%. Dakshina says 5%. No, I will give you guys a very simple number, 1%. That's it. But just to tell you, see, I run almost around 5 to 6 different affiliate channels. Advisoruncle.com belongs to me. I write about all the courses that we don't even cater to, but these are affiliate links, every link, okay? I run coursedekho.com. I run idiot.com. I run webofk.com, affiliate, pure affiliate. I run digitalcoursesindia.com. I run coursenearyou.com. These are all the websites that belongs to us. We try to possibly sell our own courses, and any other program that we do not provide or we do not sell, we go ahead and motivate our audience to buy. Understood? Is this clear? And on every hot keyword, you guys can see that our articles are appearing at position 1, page 1, 2, 3, like that. To give you guys one example, if you search for digital marketing, let's say from Mumbai, it's a hot keyword. 6,600 people search for this keyword. You can use Uber suggest digital marketing courses in Mumbai. So of course, our own website that ranks, we've been nominated by others. Our articles also rank and we get good clicks. So that's the way to capture a lead. Along with that, you have another opportunity to go ahead and showcase to the people the correct or the right product. Understood? 1% is what people buy. If you read affiliate commission, they pay 10% commission. So if they're selling 40,000 products, they get 4,000 rupees per sale. No, big number. We will not even get into that. So 2630 people are buyers because 2,63,000 some people are visitors. So 2630 are the buyers, and I believe that they will make minimum $2 per sale, like 150 rupees. So it's like 5 to 60 USD is what they make. So if you use INR to USD conversion, and 5 to 60 is what you make from one blog with 1% commission and only $2. 4 lakh rupees from a blog after writing 130 articles, and that's not a bad deal, and that's the bare minimum. No matter what this website do, they make much higher as a number. But of course, I would not like to go show you guys a dream that is really big. It takes its own sweet time to reach there. Now, you ask yourself, why GSM Arena? Where is GSM Arena? Why gadgets.ndtv? Why GSM Arena? They create content on iPhone. What's their business model? How they make money? So every link here, if you will click, affiliated. Who search for iPhone? The one who would like to buy. Pay attention. They have millions of people, my friends, those who read their content. But they are very old websites. So you should never ever go ahead and feel like this, that you are going to make money instantly. You will. Look at the number. Damn good. Even if you will take their 1%, mind-blowing number will come to you. And they do not sell any product that's lesser than 40,000-50,000 rupees. Are you all able to relate that this is how affiliate marketers make money? And they make huge money. But a quick question that goes to everyone's mind. Do you teach affiliate marketing? Yes. But I never tell people to make this as your active source. It should be a passive source of income, and run it for a 2 to 3 year vision. That today I will write, let's say in 15 days, only one article is what I'm going to write. But remember this thing, your approach should be that I will start with 10 rupee, then 100 rupee, then 1,000 rupee, then 10,000, then one day I'll reach to lakh, and then 10 lakhs. If you are going to believe this, then I'm going to make lakhs of rupee after 2-3 months as promoted by a lot of people, those who are doing affiliate marketing. Answer is no. I don't want you to go ahead and buy any false information, my friends. Understood? But this is one of the most promising industries, more like SIP. Invest today, wait for minimum 10 years. But this is one of those types of trees that will really give you a bunch of money every month. Understood? Quick yes, no, maybe from everybody in the chat box. Very, very good. Now let's talk about the last part and then we'll open our Q&A round. Why IM skills? Our courses are 100% objective driven. 0% theory is there. You are here to get a job. Take this promise on a recorded line. You'll job ready in the course. You are here to start a business. Take this promise on a recorded line. Assume if that doesn't happen, you are going to launch your business in the course. Our course helps you to get 100% hand holding and trainer support directly. There are no mediators between you and me. Do you want to know the beauty of IM program? I'll explain. You've been to other institutions. Some are saying head of HCL, some are saying ex Facebook guy, some are saying ex Googler. They are all going to be your mentors, your teachers. Am I correct? Ask every institution, will you get their phone numbers on the day first of the course delivery? Answer is no. Will they answer whenever they want to? No. Will they come on Zoom call when they want to? No. Will they help you to go ahead and get a personalized delivery? No. What happens here at IM Skills? The day first, you get all your faculty details. And of course, you are also not allowed here as well that to call directly. Fix up a call. You would like to talk to me, let's say me, call me after fixing up a call. You want to sit with me for 30 minutes on a Zoom? Do that. We are going to deliver our program in that way. Because digital marketing is all available for free. Where? On YouTube. All you pay here for the mentorship, nothing else. You get a mentor to get hand holding. We will clap if you will do some great jobs. And we will say that, no, this is something that you've done wrong. And you are going to work upon that part again. That is what you are going to pay for, like 29,900 plus taxes to IM Skills, or some institute lakhs of rupees, depending upon your choices. You get lifetime access for the learning management system and throughout the course and after the course trainer support. The LMS will allow you to go ahead and check all the session recordings along with the today's class, the previous sessions, those we have done, and the one we are going to conduct in the future. Everything are going to be here. Just log in with your mobile, tablet, laptop, and simply go ahead and use this. And I'm not going to get into this, that what we covered. Let me just put some light on how our courses are delivered. We have classes every Tuesday and Thursday, fixed classes. The time of the class is 8 p.m. till 9:30 p.m. over the Zoom. There is an internship for 3 months once you complete the course. As per your niche, you can go ahead and plan for the internship. It is for 3 months. You have internship managers. You will have your weekly meetings. Even working professionals can learn internship with us. At the same time, the program that we conduct, we also do some kind of special classes on Wednesdays and Fridays. And those are 8 p.m. till 9 p.m., but not regularly. Rare occasions, in number of, let's say, 4 to 5 times, these classes will happen overall in 12 weeks journey. You will be informed about them. After internship, people will get placement support given by IM Skills. I repeat myself, we give interview guarantee. That's it. We will schedule your interviews. You will clear the interview, all up to you. If you will fail, there are things that you have not performed well. Your portfolio will be done before you will get into the market. From our side, everything will be accurate, but it's just that you have to control your interview. And of course, only you can. Business people, you're going to launch your course and a promise made that you will get your first sale or lead, whatever you call, in the course. The product ticket is 29,900 plus 18% taxes. For the upcoming batch, we are revising our fee. We were planning to revise it from first. However, given this is the time when a lot of people are participating, so we are deciding for the next batch that will happen in the month of Jan. We are keeping our revised fee. We are going to exceed the fee from 29,900 plus taxes to 34,900 plus taxes. The reason being, since last 5+ years, almost going to be 6, we have never changed the fee. But I think the expenses, the tools, and every cost has increased. It's time to do that for us as well. I am open to take your Q&A now. All right. So people, those who would like to go ahead and ask me any kind of a question are requested to go ahead and use the chat box and ask me. We will stay online until 4:15 p.m. and we'll proceed ahead. At the same time, if anyone in this group, whosoever is planning to start with the next batch, that we are starting from 7th of December, 7th December, wherein a getting started class will happen with me on 6th of December. You are all requested to go ahead and please update me in the chat box And this is an exclusive payment link that I'm giving you to get yourself on board with the old price. That's for 35,282 all inclusive taxes. You can let me know so that I can also ask my colleague Vinay. He will get in touch with you. He's the relationship manager here at iimskills for the digital marketing department. And your questions now. Those who are planning to leave the session are humbly requested to please provide me with their feedback. How was your experience with me today? How many students will be there in a single batch? 3030. All with the same niche, Natasha. If you're there with the job, every job people will be there in that batch. Getting my point? Business people, accordingly, you will attend your classes. And I am going to be your coach for content writing, SEO, and website designing. I'm a content writer, owns a blog site on WordPress. Will I get assistance for the same if I need it? Anytime. Even if you do not pursue our course, Tanya, we will still help you, my friend. We are good people. Throughout my orientation class, anyone in this group have ever felt that my orientation was aligned towards giving you guys or selling you guys this course? Will content writing also be taught? Answer is yes. But we will not teach you how to write a book, SOP and all. That's content writing master course. Content writing for landing pages, blogs, articles, SEO content, landing page content, everything will be taught, email content and all. Does this course will cover e-commerce platform? Absolutely. WordPress. If you want to go ahead and learn about Shopify, we can do that, but that's a personalized class or more. Could you please elaborate on the live projects we will work upon? You will get a live project for on-page, off-page SEO, email marketing, social media, various platforms, so Facebook, LinkedIn, Twitter, Instagram. You'll get a live projects for email marketing setup. You're going to get a live project for your ads part. You're going to get live project for web analytics, everything. Nikita, remember one thing. Everything, whatever we will provide you, you're going to develop that particular thing for your own portfolio. Pay attention. If you are here to get a business and your live projects will be aligned towards increasing your own business marketing. If you're here to get a job, for your own blog so that you can showcase that to the people that I know this job. Look at the work that I've done in the past. That's the approach. Hope it is more aligned now to you. Absolutely correct. If anybody would like to talk to me right now, can go ahead, click on this screen called participant. There is a button called react. You can simply raise your hand there. I will unmute you and we can have a call. Dakshina would like to, okay. Ask to unmute. Yes, Dakshina.
Yeah, hi Vaibhav. It was really nice session.
Thank you.
I had certain queries in this digital marketing. Many tools are used, like right?
Yes.
For which one has to pay. Okay. So what about that? Will you be providing us that? What is it?
Sure, ma'am. See, I'll tell you what. There are, so let's say for keyword research, I'll give you one example. There are tools like Google Keyword Planner that is free. And there are keywords like Ubersuggest that's paid. Okay. So we will introduce you with the tool that's more renowned, better, and free to use. At the same time, for SEMrush, it's a paid tool, by the way, and it's a great tool, by the way. There are hacks that we use. They allow any user to go ahead and do the 3 researches a day for free. But if you will understand the hack, if you will develop multiple emails, let's say 2 to 3, you can go ahead and research for 9, 12, depending upon how many emails you're going to use. So it's not mandatory that you have to go ahead and spend money. We receive almost around 1 lakh plus hits. We being our own, digital marketing institutes, other than the email marketing campaign that's chargeable. Once you have higher number of audience with you, we have never invested even a single rupee on paid ads or buying any other tools. Multiple things are available in the market that is free. Are you getting my point? You will get a hands-on experience about all the required tool. Let's say to establish a website, you know what is WordPress, you're going to use all the plugins. If you need a paid theme, we'll arrange that for you. If you would like to go ahead and do the keyword research, your end goal is to do the keyword research. I'll arrange that tool for you, that what to use, how to use. That is what Smart Hacks all around. Understood? But when it is about running an ad, so you have to spend money. No matter it is you or me, the other channel will ask for money, then only they are going to run your ads. May I get your yes, no? Okay, let me unmute again.
Yeah.
Don't mute yourself back. Okay, otherwise you will remain muted.
Yeah, sorry. Yeah, I got this. Plus one more thing I wanted to ask, like all these things, you'll be giving in-depth knowledge of that, supposing I don't know anything about it.
In-depth from basic to an advanced level. And as I said, I request you to go ahead and talk to the people there on the LinkedIn, and you will get the understanding that how these people are, what kind of a customer service we provide. At the same time, somebody pursued our course in 2016, let's say, their website is hacked. We help them to solve that. If you go out to do this job in the market, people will charge you openly at least 15,000-20,000 rupees for the small job. But here, every technical or any consulting or any such thing that you require is free. And we are really known about the good work that we do. And this is not just for the sake of saying it. See, if somebody is giving you an open platform to go ahead and talk about, that means they have something really, really nice with them.
Yeah. Okay. Fine. Thank you so much.
Most welcome, ma'am. Most welcome, Ms. Dakshina. Any other question, guys, that you would like to ask? Okay. And may I request you to please let me know that how many of you are planning to start with December 7th batch, or anybody in the group who's planning to start with 7th December batch, so that Vinay from our team can accordingly align himself and get in contact with you guys. You can write in the chat box, me or I. When is the next batch post December? We have not yet decided, honestly. Most likely in the month of Jan. Dakshina, thank you. My colleague Vinay will accordingly speak with you. The last day to pay. We recommend, see, today is Friday. We recommend you to be on board with us maximum by Saturday or Sunday, because a small pre-reading material about everything related to what we do, we will share. Because Monday is the getting started class with me, and I'm going to set up your base around what's happening and how things will proceed. All those types of discussions we will do. So my request is be on board. Otherwise, if money and all those types of challenges are there, just get yourself on board, speak with Vinay. He will help you to go ahead and figure out a way. All right. So let him deal around that area. So I think I've already extended my class for even a minute more. So you're all requested to take it forward with Vinay. Please leave your feedback in the chat box, your overall experience. That will help me to understand that how was your experience with us. And if there is any room to improve this orientation, do mention that, please. And rest, we are good to say happy weekending to everybody. Enjoy, party hard, stay safe. Thank you, Dakshina. Glad you liked it. Really glad you liked it. Amol, Aziz, Natasha, your feedback, please. Nikita, Pushplata, Shubham, Tanya, your feedback, please. Thank you, Tanya. Thank you, Dakshina. Thank you, Nikita. So good to read this. Okay, then allow me to say goodbye, given I have to enter in another meeting. It was a new and nice experience. Thank you, Natasha. Thank you. So lovely. So lovely. Thank you so much for the demo. It was nice and informative and much more clearance about the course. Thank you, Amol. Glad you liked it. Okay, guys, thank you once again for giving your valuable 1 hour to us. I would say 1 hour, 15 minutes to us. You all were really, really awesome. Once again, thank you. And looking forward to welcoming each and every person in the upcoming programs. For any help, just remember you can reach out to us. Even if you would like to join our competitors, you can talk to us. Believe me, we will give you authentic advices. We will ensure that you're not wasting your money. We will definitely tell you the truth about each and everything. So don't worry, you're talking to the good people. That's our foundation. That's for our business ethics. Rest, looking forward to see you guys soon. Take care. Thank you and have a happy weekend, guys. Let me end the class.